Welcome to Names of Birds, Part 2 Quiz Test. Question 1. What bird is called Nesr in Arabic? Is it an eagle or a crow?
Eagle.
Answer eagle. That's absolutely correct. What a great start. Keep it going. Don't forget to test your knowledge. Take the free quiz linked in the description below and see how much you've learned. It's quick, fun, and totally free. Question 2. What does sucker mean in English? Is it a falcon or a swan?
Falcon.
Falcon! Excellent choice. You're doing fantastic. Question 3. Which bird is referred to as ghurab in Arabic? Is it a crow or a parrot?
Crow.
Answer, crow. Perfect. What does bajar mean in English? Is it a swan or a goose?
Swan.
Answer, swan. Absolutely right. Fantastic work.
Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.